got guinea pigs. These are in the any other variety class, so they're not a specific breed. So what we're looking for is basically the health. So they're both girls, I've checked them already. And that the teeth are nice and conformed properly. They've got no mites or anything in their ears. Their ears should be sitting down, slightly snubby face, but not so flat they can't breathe. Nice clear eyes. They've got nice short nails. Somebody's handled these really well, so these are really nicely looked after pets. They're easy to handle. Some would be having chunks out of me in here, but these are very loved little guinea pigs. So it's nice for the children to bring them along if they want to join or start with anything like this, because they can get advice and help as they go along, so it's a good thing to get into when they're small. So this one, we've put ahead of this one, because he's just slightly more well built. He's more like a house brick, which is what you're after. He's got his muscles are up here, her muscles are up here now, as well as on the bottom. This one's just carrying a bottom and she's quite slinky up top. Yeah, it's just her age. This time next year they'll both be like little bricks. But she's got the lovely, can you see them? I don't know if you can see, but they're purring. You see? So that's empty. So this one's going ahead of that one. This is a boy one. You see his ears are going up a little bit. Stroke them down. So if it's a pet one and it's your pet one, just stroke them. When you stroke them down, and they'll go eventually. He's a little bit pointy. He's still beautiful, isn't he? But he's a bit pointy. So he wouldn't win any breed classes, but he's a fantastic pet. He's very healthy. Aren't you? Eh? In the child's pet, I look for things like how well handled it is, how friendly it is, how easy it is to do anything with it, because that shows if it's well handled, somebody's been loving it at home, haven't they? So if it's clean and friendly, they're doing everything right, aren't they? So we need rewarding for that because it keeps stuck. So, right, what have we got here? This is shouty, isn't it? Nice teeth, nice feet, nails are nice and short. You see, he's got the rosette here. And then some of them will get hair that goes down here, but they trim themselves. They shouldn't, but they do.
They trim themselves?
They nibble their own hair. Some of them do it so badly that you can have the best show guinea pig in the world and you can't show it because they've cut all the hair off, so... Yeah, they cut it. It's called barbering. They cut their own hair or each other's hair. This is where you get the example of the face. You see the blunt, nice blunt face, as opposed to pointy, like a mouse. His ears are down nicely. It's quite young, this one, but you're looking for the shoulders and the bottom to be about the same width, so like a house brick or a baked potato, basically. Right, well, his one is class, and there's only him in all of them. Okay, this little pig's just cleaned up.